Life's challenges can sometimes feel overwhelming, leaving us questioning why we face such hardship. But in these moments, we can find hope and strength in the story of Job, a man who endured immense suffering yet held steadfast in his faith. Job lost everything, his wealth, his health, and even his family. His grief was profound, his pain unimaginable, yet through it all, Job remained faithful to God, declaring, "The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away, blessed be the name of the Lord." Job 1 verse 21. Job's story reminds us that suffering is not the end of our journey. Though Job wrestled with doubt and despair, he never turned away from God. Instead, he poured out his heart, questioned, and sought understanding while continuing to trust God's sovereignty. In the end, Job's faith was rewarded. As Job 42 verse 10 tells us, the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Let Job's story be a reminder that no matter how deep your struggles are, God is faithful. He sees your pain, hears your prayers, and has a plan for your restoration. Hold on to hope, for even in the darkest moments, God is working to bring light, healing, and blessings into your life. Like Job, trust in God's timing and believe that your trials will lead to a testimony of His goodness and grace.